The soil texture is perfect, very rich. Yes, it holds moisture well.
Yeah. The seeds should take root quickly here.
The process begins with germination as the seed takes root. It quickly develops through the sapling stage.
The flow rate seems consistent at this emitter.
And the leaf analysis confirms the plants are well hydrated.
Look at the density right here. We should probably thin this cluster.
Agreed. Let's get the netting secured around these branches now.
This one is perfect.
Yes, the harvest looks good this year.
So we carefully wrap each guava to protect it from pests. This ensures they grow big and sweet, like this one.
Look at the density right here. We should probably thin this cluster.
Agreed. Let's get the netting secured around these branches now.
Crate 45 scanned. Confirmed, moving to row 3.
From the farm to the factory, our guava industry provides vital employment across the community.
Crate 45 scanned. Confirmed, moving to row 3.
The data on batch 17 is showing a slight variance here.
Let's monitor the next cycle closely.
De-seeding machines remove guava seeds. Seeds fall into collection bins. Guava pulp flows smoothly.
Here we see the guava juice passing through the filtration membranes. The impurities are removed, resulting in the crystal clear liquid.
The temperature is holding steady at 95 degrees.
Perfect. The safety parameters are fully met.
Rejected guava waste is processed into animal feed. Nothing is wasted. Guava byproducts are
The indicator confirms the optimal temperature for preservation.
Good. Let's move these crates to the loading area.
The texture is firm and the aroma is fresh. Approved for shipment.
Remember the procedure. Follow the evacuation route quickly but safely.
Through natural decomposition, these piles of guava waste are transformed into the foundation for new growth.
Look at the volume heading into Asia this quarter.
We're exceeding projections by 20%, assuming the current transit times hold up.
The mass spec results confirm the stability of the compound.
And the visualization for the beverage concept looks promising.
$982. Pure guava perfection. Chilled for you.
These are the guava products, all sealed and accounted for.
Very good. The documentation matches the manifest. We'll clear this pallet.
The guava juice is on sale.
Okay. And the label says it's all natural. We should definitely try this brand.
From our family farm to your table, we ensure every drop is fresh. Taste the vibrant sweetness of real guava.
Look at the volume heading into Asia this quarter.
We're exceeding projections by 20%, assuming the current transit times hold up.
Guava containers entering the hold. Steady as she goes.
Locked in. Preparing for the next lift.
Everything seems to be in order on the manifest.
Yes, the digital clearance is confirmed. We can proceed.
Here is your guava with the seasoning.
Thank you very much.
Look how thick this is.
The children are gonna love it.
Wow, give it to me, Dad.